everyone. It has been a minute since I've been here opening boxes for you. I won't be too long with this introduction, but I just received my VIP box for the Taylor Swift The Eras Tour, and I thought, why not unbox it with the team? Let's do this. All right, I am going to the concert in Los Angeles on 8/7. I managed to get tickets from Ticketmaster after they added the 6th show in Los Angeles for that Monday. And somehow, in the heat of the moment, getting the tickets, we ended up buying VIP tickets. It's nosebleeds, so not necessarily anything like great, but I see here there are like 2 little stars on the outside of the box. All right, okay. So we have some Black Reputation stars that everybody's been talking about. Okay, it's upside down actually. All right, so here we go. Look at this. I'm loving it so much. Oh my God. Okay, it's just what a mess. So I got 4 tickets, one for me, one for my friend, one for my husband, one for my sister-in-law. So I have 4 boxes here. I'm only gonna open mine because those are theirs. First of all, isn't this a thing of beauty? Yes, it is. It's both sides. I was suffering since last November because I didn't have tickets, and finally last month I got some, and I am just super stoked. All right, so the first thing I see here is it's an envelope. Okay, I'm sure that you've seen plenty of this throughout this tour, but I think that each city has different posters. Oh, this is gorgeous. So this is the Los Angeles poster that they used, that frame from Lavender Haze. And then on top of her name over there, I don't know if you guys can see, but they're like the dates when the concert is going to happen, which includes the date that I'm going to, which was added at a later date. So August 3rd, 4th, 5th, 7th, 8th, and 9th in Los Angeles, California. The Eras Tour. The details, like just everything, it was so well thought. Look at this box. Okay, so this is one, and then we have a second poster here, Taylor Swift The Eras Tour, with all the eras. And then we have this Taylor Swift poster. And this one, Eras Tour. All right, so I think ours was It's a Love Story package. Here is the tote bag that I believe all of the packages have, and on the back it has, where all the cities for the US leg of this tour. And then here in this little box, I think this is the lanyard to wear at the concert, and it's gonna lit up. I will make a video of the concert for my channel, but I'm thinking about making it in Portuguese for all my people in Brazil to see. So yeah, this is the lanyard to wear next Monday. What else do we have here? Yeah, so it was like, like that. That box was on top of here, and then it has like all the compartments on this little box. And then here we have another box. Let's see. So then we have a teeny tiny box with the Eras imaging on it, which has the pin. The little pin for the Eras Tour. And then over here we have the ticket. Oh, this is so great. Seat 13, row TS, section 8, VIP, date, time, 1313, venue, your favorite city. So this is the collectible ticket, since these days everything is, you know, and then on the back it says VIP. Since these days everything is mobile, it's cool that you can keep. Then there's this sticker. Maybe I'll put it on the bumper of my brand new car, who knows? So everybody around the world knows that I'm a Taylor Swift fan, I'm a Swiftie. And then postcards for all the eras, I believe. Debut, Fearless. Is this Speak Now? Yeah, Speak Now. I'm just... Red. 1989. Big Reputation. Lover. If you guys are not on TikTok, I'm like, do something. And then this one is from Folklore. Oh my God. Evermore. And finally, Midnights. Yeah, thanks for following my unboxing journey. I don't think at this point I was, you know, as super stoked as I was the day that I got the tickets. I was like crying when I finally got the tickets, but I am sure going to be crying for 3.5 hours in that concert. So maybe come back to see that video. And yeah, so I am trying to post more often on the channel again. I know I've been gone for I don't know, 2 years now. And so stick around and I'll see you guys around. Goodbye.